In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your past tax returns using Turbotax. If you've ever found yourself needing to access your previous tax information for various reasons, like applying for a loan or just keeping your records straight, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and easy manner. Let's begin by heading over to the Turbotax official site. You can easily find it online by searching for Turbotax and looking for the official site link. Once you're there, you'll notice the homepage is designed to make tax filing as seamless as possible. From here, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the sign in button typically located at the top right corner of the page. You'll need your username and password handy, so if you haven't logged in for a while, now is a good time to make sure you remember these details. If you've forgotten your password, no worries, there's an option to reset it directly on the site. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Turbotax home. It's a bit like your control panel for all things tax related within Turbotax. This central hub gives you access to all the tools and resources you need to manage and review your tax documents. Next, look for the section labelled Documents. It's usually quite prominent to ensure easy navigation. Clicking on this will take you to a vault where all your previous tax returns are stored securely. Now it's time to select the tax year you wish to view or download. Turbotax usually keeps a comprehensive archive, so you should be able to access returns from previous years without a hitch. Select the tax year of interest to you, whether it's last year's return or something from a few years back. This is where you'll find it. Once selected, the specific details of that year's return will appear. Finally, you have the option to download or directly view your tax return. If you choose to download it, the file will typically be a PDF, making it easy to save to your computer or print if needed. If you're just looking to view your return, the document should open up within the site for you to go through. This downloadable or viewable feature is especially handy if you need to provide copies for financial applications or personal record keeping. And there you have it. You've now successfully recovered your past tax returns using Turbotax. By following these steps, you can make the most out of your tax records, ensuring all the necessary information is right at your fingertips when you need it. If you encounter any issues, Turbotax support is always available to assist. Keep your financial health in check by making use of these powerful tools and staying organized with your records. Thank you for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.